What's up guys, it's Elliot with Arbo Space. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick little throw line method called the double bag method. This is going to be a little bit of an more efficient way to isolate your throw line without having to pull all 200 feet of your rope through. So as you can see up here, I have my throw line through a crotch that I want to be tied into, but I'm kind of going through a couple other branches here. So I want to get that isolated so I can either run a canopy anchor SRT system or a double rope system without any conflict in the way. So I'm going to come over here. I have my other end of the throw line right here that is set through the crotch. I'm going to take this throw bag. Typically I like to use a micro carabiner, something like this here. I'm going to clip that through that bottom loop in the throw line, and then clip this one also through the bottom loop in the throw line. So it's going to end up looking something like this right here. Now I can go ahead and set that down. I'm going to come back to this bag here that I have my line set through in the crotch I want to be in. Now I'm going to step back, make sure I can keep my eyes on this, and I'm going to pull that end up, and you'll see what happens once it gets up there. So throw line's going up. I'm going to bring it through, and I'm going to pop it over, and it falls down right into the crotch I want it to be in. And now I'm pretty well isolated. I might have to play with it just a little bit more to get it right where I want. But now I didn't have to pull all my throw line through, and we're now on a little bit easier of a playing field to get it where I want. So to undo this, now this yellow throw line here is now my primary anchor. So I'm going to remove the other throw line that was originally through the crotch. I'm going to get rid of that, pull the knot out, and then I'm going to just put this right back in the bag. And now I'm on that other throw line, I'm going to be set up to be able to climb on that one now. And this one you won't need anymore. So that's the double bag throw line method, and hopefully you guys can find that useful, and it'll save you a little time on the job site. Thanks.